So I always wanted to grow fruits, vegetables, I mean something at my home, including flowers, whatever it is. When you do it on your own with other work and all other perspective, you can't give time and etc. Doing on your own is much more difficult with respect to the kind of laborious work and the time spent and the knowledge requires.
Explain, no, the Happy Garden people will come, they will take care of, all the seeds, manicuring or doing cutting and all those kind of stuff. Then we said, okay, let's try. I mean, if it works, great. I think what was our expectation is certainly meeting or sometimes exceeding the expectation. The taste is very different. You can see the tenderness of the yield that you get, especially think about the cabbage or the tomatoes and things like that, right? You can easily make it out, the freshness of that, the juicy content of those. Then what you get in the shops or supermarkets, right? Because many of them are refrigerated for a couple of days. So there's a significant difference in the taste.
Even outside you don't get those things. I mean, even if I pay money, you don't get it.
More importantly, I think from a hygiene standpoint, it's no pesticides. So that makes a significant advantage.
Yes, there is no, I mean, you don't have to think, okay, kya ja raha hai pet mein karke. That is what it is. Another thing, when I pluck it from here, the cooking time is very, very less. Considerably less. I mean, maybe 30% less on an average, definitely. For leafy vegetables, it's 50% less, definitely. And also, I get to choose at what time I want to pick the vegetable.
Tomato, leafy vegetables, spinach, coriander, methi, radish and other things, we don't end up in buying from market.
But on an average of family of 4 of us, 50% of the time, easily you can manage. I'm saying easily. If 2 of us are there, I mean, just to have the difference in the what I'm growing, then I have to go and purchase outside.
A person comes here, he does the pruning, he does cleaning, he puts some whatever
Manure.
Only thing that we have to do is make sure that we look around, water it on a daily basis. Especially rainy season, so we can skip that because you can see the rains are there. No, we are enjoying.
No, message, we are enjoying.
It's a good thing
It's
to
good
do
time
and happy about it. Feel good about it. Happy about it.
I'm happy with the gardening. I would say that the servicing person, whoever is coming weekly, comes on time, does whatever work of thinning and everything, is right behind us.
Happy Garden is doing great job, and we are happy as part of the process that we have gone through. Eco-friendly, sustainable. So we are very, very good with that. So, like she said, we're continuing with this for last 5 years, and we are happy to continue with another couple of years for sure.
Thank you. Bye.